It was Top Step was not working for a minute. Okay, so we still need a Hail Mary trade. We did fine on crypto, I guess, but we still need a Hail Mary pass for NASDAQ. We have to make up the mistakes I made. I made some mistakes today. But if I would have just held my one long that was down here, would have been super in the green. We would have made it was like 2,200 bucks. Oh, guess what? I'm down 2,200 fucking bucks. I mean, pretty frustrating. Not the best day so far. We're like right on the VWAP and the 50% of the orb.
Order filled. Order filled.
Seconds left.
Order filled.
Come on, baby. Come on, get us up there. Get us up there.
Order filled.
There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on. Break the orb. If we can just hit this one trade, I'll be happy, man. I just want to hit this one trade. Yeah, I'm just being realistic. If that can be it, I'm happy. Come on. Just keep pumping. And it's still going. Hold on, guys. You can't just get psyched out right away. We might have to close it. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully not, but it's not looking good right now. It's getting scary. Fuck. Come on, man. Come on.
Order filled.
I just can't risk losing more. I'll let these go. And there it is. I should have just waited, man. Fuck. Maybe not.
Order filled.
I just feel like those 1-minute candles just always psych me out. Bitcoin, oh shit, crypto's breaking down a little bit. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Push up.
Order filled.
Jesus Christ. I'm really messing up on this live account today. Like bad. Really bad. Pretty much all of them. And all I had to do is just hold my original trade down here, and it would have been an amazing day. And I panicked and sold. Now look where we're at. And there it goes. I got scared. I got scared out of the trade. That would have just made our day. I gave it up. I really messed up. Bad. Really bad. Really messed up, guys. I let them scare me out of the perfect setup. We're starting to go up and it failed there.
Order filled.
We're just moving and chopping sideways. Bitcoin's still just kind of hanging on. Not with Solana trades. I don't really trade these that much, but this gotta be like a bullshit coin. Dude, this went to 18 million? I saw this yesterday. Holy shit. Dude, can we break out? I mean, this is just so freaking slow and boring. Let's see what the news came out with. wholesale inventories, crude oil inventories was higher than expected. Is that a bad thing? Oh, because that means they sold less oil. 10-year bond auction. Oh, that's at 10 a.m. Tomorrow we got CPI and unemployment at 5:30. And that's why I prefer to trade the open. Sometimes I'll skip the 5:30. I'll let it figure itself out, and then by New York Open, which would be 6:30 my time, by then the market is a little more clear. You know what I mean? Like 5:30, yeah, we could have got this huge pump at 5:30 today, but whatever. Maybe I'll play CPI tomorrow.
Order filled.
This is just ugly. This is stupid.
Order filled.
I'm just closing it. At this point, I don't even know what direction this thing wants to go. I don't know, at this point I'm wondering if they're going to sweep all this. Because they always love psyching everyone out. So I'm at a point now where I'm wondering if they're going to try psyching us all out. Try and pump this back up. Sometimes you just gotta treat NASDAQ like fucking meme coins. Yesterday, you guys made the TikTok hit 10,000 likes. I appreciate that. If you guys could hit the like button today so we can get some more people in here, it'd be much, much, much appreciated. Okay, we're getting another pump on crypto right now. Solana should be about to break even, almost there. Might want to just get out of this though. I don't know, we'll see. Basically, Soul Investments or whatever is a company. Basically a Solana investment company. They got listed on the NASDAQ yesterday. Or Soul Strategies, I'm sorry. So Solana's outperforming about every other coin pretty much. I mean, there's some that did some crazy numbers. Crypto is doing very well today. We have a bit. I have the Bitcoin
Order
long,
filled.
but I also had an Ethereum long. But I moved the stop loss to break even. It barely got tapped in the middle of the night, and I woke up and I just had the BTC long still in profit. I didn't move my stop loss as much on Bitcoin as I did Ethereum. It barely got tapped. Just barely got tapped. I mean, are we gonna get out of this box? We're just like from here to here doing nothing. We're just moving sideways. So, honest to God, until we break this stupid little box, we're not gonna take another trade. Yeah, this is ugly. I really messed up today, guys. Not gonna lie. I really made some mistakes today. Big time. Oh shit. Tap the VWAP. Big selling volume coming in. Big volumes coming in right now, guys. We got big volume coming in. A lot of selling volumes coming in.
Order
Let's
filled.
get out of this thing. Look at that volume coming in. No, of course, right. Right after yeah, we're just kind of sitting in the middle of this. We have to break out of something, guys. We can't just sit like this.
Order filled.
I think this is going to get swept. I'm starting to wonder if they're going to push this down. That huge selling volume that came in. Hold on. I just can't catch a break today, guys. I really can't. It's just all bad. All the massive wins the last 2 days, as of right now, fucked it up. Doesn't mean I can't make a comeback, though. I definitely can make a comeback. This is some ugly ass price action, man. Then you're like, Alex, why do you keep playing it then? It's a good question. I really think they're gonna try sweeping all this shit. There it is.
Order filled.
No, I don't. This is baffling me. Oh yeah, there we go. Starting to go. Maybe. I mean, who knows? I mean, this is really fighting. Like, I haven't seen it this bad in a while. Like, the buyers and the sellers just going back and forth, back and forth. It's just going so back and forth. There we go. Come on, keep going. There we go. There it is. I'm about to hit the TP on this one.
Order filled.
Boom. Okay. Let's keep going. It's sweeping. I knew it would.
Order
I'm
filled.
not gonna let it fucking... I'm gonna take what I can get. But we need to break this block, this fucking square that we've been moving sideways in. This corner's pissing me off last night. Moves very quickly. It's a lot of liquidity in that thing. Oh, I was about to get in.
Order filled.
Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. Go, baby, go.
Order filled.
Keep going. Keep going. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. What a time to be alive. I want to make sure it's going to pop back up. My entry's not super great, so I want to make sure this thing keeps climbing down. Yeah, I think this will. Put a little bit closer. I knew it was going to get swept. Here we go. Push, push, push. Keep going. Keep fucking going. Yes. Nice, 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 nice. Look at that quick little $53. This thing's fast. I'm not gonna fuck with it more. I mean, that thing was $50 in 2 seconds. Okay. Come on, baby. Oh, we need like a Bitcoin though. Let's get out of Bitcoin. Let's get out of Bitcoin. The market's dumping. Let's get out 230 on the Bitcoin trade. Not bad, not bad. We also need to get out of this fucking Solana trade, guys. We're out. Okay. I don't want to be in that. About to just say screw it and take this.
Order
too.
filled.
Boom. As long as I can trim this down, I'm happy. Okay, so we broke out of the box. Broke out of the VWAP. It's just a matter of how much does this one come down, right? Do we just go to the orb low and then bounce? I mean, we don't have news again until 10. Just gotta be careful here. That's all. I'm definitely not gonna try shorting crypto right now. That's definitely not the answer. Until it like breaks and retests certain levels, you know? Then it's different. Like right now, pump looks decent to short. Okay, here we go, we're coming lower. Should probably just held our short longer, but and again we should have held the long down here longer. I think I just need to quit being on the 1 minute time frame. It's just it just psychs you out so much. Hey, cut it up, how's it going? The 1 minute time frame just completely psychs you out. It's just not helpful. crypto's kind of at a point today where it just seems exhausted. We didn't really get a 10 o'clock reversal today. It was more like, 11, 8 o'clock my time, but 11 o'clock in New York. A lot of breaking news. They're now saying, let's go look. Well, first let's look at the inflation. It's dropping. 1.6. Now, let's go look at, where's it at? Hold on, guys. I got so many freaking tabs. I can exit these now. CME group. Okay. Watch this. Boom! 92% we're getting a rate cut. I guarantee we're getting a rate cut. Now, for you guys that are new, if we get a rate cut September 17th, the markets will boom. I mean, majorly boom. Majorly boom. Okay, we're still coming down. Almost wondering if I can catch a little long. This coin is highly volatile. So I'm trying to figure out this coin. It's very bullish right now. I mean, this thing went from 90s, let's just say $1, to fucking $18 in the matter of like a week. I wasn't in it. I didn't know about it. It's a DeFi protocol thing, like lending, borrowing, etc., on Binance. Or BNB, sorry. And, yeah. Oil's pumping today. Gold's dropping. Oh man, gold's dropping. I guess Dustin made $1 million today, even though the price is tanking this morning. Okay. Anyways, guys, I gotta go get ready. I have an auction to go to today. I appreciate y'all. I'm making $25 off Oracle. Should I hold? Well, I wouldn't sell any coins right now. The reason I say that is we're just now seeing. We're not done yet. I promise you. Long-term trade, whatever you're holding spot right now, just hold it. for the guy on TikTok that just asked me that, do not sell your coins right now. Right now, we're just starting to really pushing higher. September 17th, the feds are going to cut interest rates. I just showed you it's like a 92% chance we're getting a rate cut. I guarantee we're getting a rate cut. And when that happens, the markets will go parabolic. They will boom. Sometimes you can also see markets boom before the Fed meeting because they're pricing in, basically betting already, if you think of it like that. Like they're already betting that the market's going to boom, predicting that there's going to be a rate cut. So a lot of times you'll see that happen too. Maybe a few days before the actual meeting on September 17th, you might see the markets start booming. Like this morning we saw markets boom, right? But you might see it even more between now and September 17th. Just because people are betting it that it's going to happen, right? If you think of it like that. Like they're just pre-betting it. Yeah, it's crazy. It's supposed to go up to like 3. Yeah. Oh yeah, I mean, dude, I'm not in Oracle, I don't follow Oracle, but I know about it, and so it's gonna move with Bitcoin, right? But here's the thing you need to understand. I'm sure it'll hit $400. I highly doubt it wouldn't hit 400 if it's already at 355. But here's the thing you gotta remember. This is the time where in the cycle, this ain't my first bull run, by the way. What happens is, I'm going to explain this to you. So if you go to the Bitcoin dominance chart, okay, you can go to the 4 hour. So this means all the money in Bitcoin, right? So as you see, we were at 66% dominance, meaning it owns all the money in crypto. The Bitcoin dominance was at 6. So Bitcoin, all the money, the $4 trillion total, 66% of it was at Bitcoin. That's Bitcoin dominance, okay? I actually marked this up like way before this. This was back in June where it tapped 66 and I called it. We are now, it fell down to about 57, 58%, which then makes the altcoins run. And I marked up Ethereum, and I said, this is the zone where Ethereum's gonna break out. Because it did the same thing last cycle right here, January 2020. Look at, boom, tapped this zone, Ethereum dominance skyrocketed. Tapped the zone April of this year, skyrocketed. Meaning, it is now time that the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. Doesn't mean Bitcoin's not going to keep moving. It will, but it's not going to do as much as the altcoins. Okay? So, with that being said, I highly recommend. Yeah. Why don't you do this, my man? DM me. So then I know. Send me a DM, okay? I'm about to end the live. Yeah, Galrag, I went back down because we had a tough morning. I really, oh shit, this thing bounced. I really messed up this morning, to be honest. Badly. I gave back a good chunk of what we made yesterday on the NQ. But anyways, for the guy on TikTok, send me a DM, dude, okay? That's all you gotta do, and we will talk more, because I gotta get going. I also I have a car dealership, I sell used cars. So I gotta go to the auction and get ready to go to the auction to buy some cars. So, also, go follow my YouTube page, All In with Mitch, all one word, and Twitch. You guys can follow all the pages. Here's my YouTube. All in with Mitch, just like the TikTok. All one word. X, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube. All in with Mitch. All one word. But, so, right now is when you want to start putting your money in the altcoins, is what I'm getting at. That's where you want to put your money now, is altcoins. You don't necessarily want to go heavy on Bitcoin related stuff, because now the altcoins are going to run. Like, if you have Bitcoin, keep holding Bitcoin. I'm not saying it's not going to go higher, but just know that the altcoins, anything that's in Ethereum, Solana, shit like that, is going to outperform Bitcoin at this point in the cycle. You get what I'm saying? It's nothing's going to be able to do, or Bitcoin's not going to be able to outperform what the altcoins are going to do. Jeez, AVAX went crazy. Yeah, at this point of the cycle, guys, altcoins are going to do the best. Jeez, I'm looking at some really good shorts. If we can get back up. We tapped a lot of highs, but I mean, it's scary to short the market today. BNB hit $900, guys. Jesus. I hold some BNB. I'm in Maker, and I'm really debating on getting out of it, to be honest. I mean, it might, I don't know, it does look pretty good to break out of this zone. But I'm really debating if I want to keep holding it. What I should have done was back April last year, sold all of it at 4K. That was stupid to keep holding it. Pump is, holy shit. Pump is going crazy today. And yes, thank you for the follow. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go, oh my goodness, this thing's pumping again, guys. Let me put this back over here so I can watch. Nasdaq's not doing anything though. But these other coins are, we might have just tapped into here to go short. I'm gonna try this one more time. I know it's kind of pumping, but sell volume's coming in. RSI looks correct. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, everything's kind of dropping. I don't know, we'll see. It's definitely not breaking down easily. I will say this though, ETH is bouncing off the orb. The orb high was right. So it was about here. This is the market open. The orb high is like right here. Basically, it's on it right now. If this thing wants to keep pumping now. But yeah, send me a DM and we can talk some more. Alright guys, I gotta go get ready for the auction. I appreciate y'all. Have an amazing day. And I will talk to you guys soon. Jesus, this thing just wants to keep pumping. Let's see what it does right here. This thing really moves quick. It's called MYX. Oh no, is this? This could just drop from right here. Looks like it wants to break out though. I don't know. Alright guys, have an amazing day. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out. And everyone over on Twitch and YouTube, having a great day. I will talk to you guys soon. Peace out.